Hey guys, welcome back to the Traders. My name is Noam. I'm here with you as every week, and this day I'm gonna tell you which industry is better to trade. Alright? I'll talk about which industry is better to trade and make money from, which industry is better to invest and wait for the long run, and which industry are better for dividend stocks. So stay with me and understand how to make money from each industry. Hello guys, welcome back to the Traders. I'm Noam, I'm your presenter for today. We know each other for the last 3 or 4 months, and every week I give you 3 stocks to buy which have great results. Also some stock reviews, also capital market reviews, some trainings and some learnings. I'm here for you for every question, everything you want to know. You can write in the comments and I'll make video regard. Also, if you want me to analyze some stock, if it's from technical analysis view or if it's from another regular analysis view, just let me know in the comments. Also, if you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel. It's very helpful and it helped me to grow and make it better every time and every day. Well, for the future also. So today I'm here to explain which industry is better to trade, which industry is better to invest for the long run, for the mid run, and also dividend, right? Which industry is better for dividends. So let's start with which industry is better for trading, all right? So regard trading, if we are day traders, we would like the volatility stocks, all right? Which means a stock that can jump like 10% a day, 15% a day, 20% a day, 25, and etc., etc. Some volatile industries, which means some, let's say, biotech or biopharm or cannabis. Why is that? Because in these industries, it's all about rumors. It's all about playing against computers and brains of other people, right? So you can trade, right? Let's say a biotech stock that is going to present something regarding some research or from new sector or anything new that they're working on. In this case, all right, you can play with the rumors, all right? If you know, like, there's a good rumor, you can trade for rising up and then play it down. Like if we look at the cannabis industry right now, that we see that it's always going down and the hype is ended. If we don't want to hold great stocks like ACB, which means Aurora, or CGC, Canopy, which for the long run will be great stocks, for now it's smart to trade short all cannabis and weed stocks, because if we understand how it works, it can decrease in one day 10%, 20%, 30% just for something small. So for day trading or short-term trading, we would like to choose like more, let's say, problematic stocks, something that is not really reliable, which is cannabis, biotech, biopharm, other technology like small technology stocks, also bitcoins, these kind of stocks that working on the trading of the bitcoins. All right. So this is if we are looking for day trading or short-term trading. After we talked about trading stocks or trading industries, now we think about mid-term industries. When I said mid-term, I mean 2 months to half a year. Which stocks is smart to hold for the next, or use them to trading or to swing trade for the next 2 months to half a year. So these kind of stocks will depends on what's going in the macroeconomics. And the main thing right now in the macro is regarding reducing the interest rate. So which stocks will be good for the reducing interest rate? We'll see. By the way, I also have video regard of it, but let's talk about now which stocks to invest for the midterm. It would be retail stocks, real estate stocks, and holding stocks. All right, these kind of industries, all right, the holdings, the real estate, and the retail, these kind of industries are enjoying the reducing in the interest rate. Which means if now I want to trade or invest in the mid term in some industries, this is the industry to work in. Also, if you want to trade short on some industries, we'll go to banks, and insurance company, because, as I said, retail, real estate, and holding company enjoying the reducing the interest, which means the interest. I would like to invest for the midterm of 2 months to half a year in these kind of industries. If I want to trade or to invest for the short, right, to go short in some industries, I'll do it on banks and in insurance companies. For the next 2 and 6 months, I will really enjoy from the changing in the market from macroeconomics point of view. Now, let's talk about some long-term investing, which means for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. Which stocks it would be good to hold for 2 or 3 years? Well, it will be something stable, right, like banks, but only banks that we really know that they are good, they are working smart, not something speculative like Lehman Brothers, more like JP Morgan and these kind of banks, the big ones in the whole world, not Deutsche that are now falling. We're talking about JP Morgan, that one that we know that the US economy, the US government would never let him fall. So this is kind of stocks that would you can know for sure that for the long term will give you a good return. Also REIT stocks, because REIT in the world industries will always go up, even if we'll see some macroeconomics influences that will make them go down. After a while, it always would go up, because real estate in the future always go up. All right. Also good industry to invest in. It's the FANG. I know it's not industry. I know it's just only 5 stocks, all right? And I'll take out Netflix, because Netflix have to change their business model. But for now, in the FANG, except Netflix, it's good to invest for the long term, because they have incredible data that they know how to leverage and to make a great, which means the ROI would be very high, which means you're going to enjoy in the next few years for holding these stocks as, let's say, sort of anchor stocks, ones that will sit on your account and you don't play with them too much. So this is for investing for the 2, 3, 4, even 5, even 10 years. It will be the FANG, it will be REITs, it will be banks, but stable banks, investment companies, but also some that are going stable, not the adventurous one, not crazy hedge funds, something that's very stable, that invest like Blackstone, right? These kind of companies in this kind of industry. Also, let's say retail stocks, also industry that is very good, very stable, but not malls. When I say retail, I mean food. Those who are working smart, like Walmart, when they hold their own real estate, this is kind of stock that you can hold for the long term. Regard dividend stocks, I will go for industries, all right, like let's say stocks that have some risk but not a real one. They pay dividend for risk, but the risk is not real. Let's say kind of like Home Depot, very good industry and very good stock that pay nice dividend. Also, some breweries, right? We have some breweries that are working for 200, 300 years, and they pay great dividends for the last 100 years, time by time, right? Starbucks, you know that they are holding their own branches. They pay the dividends, nice dividends, and you'll get great returns for the long term by holding and get the dividends back to your pocket. All right, so I hope you understand which industries to work and trade and invest and getting dividends for which time. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Noam Madar. Please subscribe to the channel The Traders to learn more about the stock markets and understand how you can make money from the stock market.